G'day everyone, welcome to Motorbung Aussie. Well, today we're doing a nice classic hot dessert. It's coming up to winter time here now in Australia, so we're going to do a fresh apple crumble using fresh apples instead of tinned, using red and green apples. It's a simple, easy process to do, and we'll go by the step-by-step guide of this easy recipe for a classic apple crumble. Cheers everyone. G'day everyone, welcome back. I'm going to say it's a pretty easy, simple process to follow, and everyone loves good old apple crumble. Now I've used red and green apples. I think it's 4 Granny Smith apples, 2 red apples. Sugar, I've just used half brown, half caster, just something a bit different, and I'm just sticking it up a little bit with a bit of corn flour. Now with the crumble mix, it's just a simple flour, sugar, and the butter. But if you want, you can put some toasted coconut in there, muesli, nuts, whatever you fancy, whatever you got in the cupboard at home to use up. Now, so very quick, cooked it out for about 5 minutes, 7 minutes, the apples. Put them in the casserole dish, and they're going to continue cooking, but they're still held up and they're still not overcooked when you're finished. So you just give it the old classic taste test now. Delicious. The crumble nice and golden brown. It's crunchy, so when you're eating it, and you got the apples are nice and firm. It's not too sweet. You can cut back a bit of the sugar if you like. I cut it back on the recipes I've got before, and you can just experiment. You just use caster sugar if you want, but I like to use half brown and half caster. But it's a delicious, easy, simple dish. Keep everyone happy on a really cold winter's night. Easy recipe to follow. The recipe cards are included, and please hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you for the next video. Cheers everybody from Motorbung Aussie.